Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox stuck on joining server. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your Windows search bar over here and type run. Left click on this. And I want you to type percentage temp percentage. Hit enter or click OK. It will open a path folder on your PC. Click on any file and then type R or Roblox. Once you have successfully located the Roblox folder, right-click and then choose Delete. Don't worry, this is just a temporary file for your Roblox. It will not delete the game itself, so you don't have to reinstall anything. Once done, you can now close this, and the next method would be to run some commands. So on the search bar again or Windows menu, type CMD or command prompt and make sure to run as the admin. Once here, I want you to do or type this command net sh space win sock space reset. Hit enter. And the second command would be ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Press enter. And once done, you can now close this command prompt and you might need to do a system restart. Once you're back on your screen, you can now go ahead, click on Roblox, and everything should now be running smoothly. And that's it. You have now successfully fixed this issue. I hope you found this video very helpful.